Are we in a Bitcoin bear market or are we still in a bull market? Is this just a pullback before the next leg up? And holy smokes, guys, this is the $1 million question, which a lot of people don't have the $1 million answer to. In fact, I don't think anyone has a clear-cut answer to this because, quite frankly, this has never really happened before. We saw Bitcoin dip $10,000 and literally the next day gain $10,000. That's actually insane. We're seeing the craziest amounts of capital inflows and outflows. We're seeing crazy news articles, crazy headlines, and this is uncharted territory, right? Anyone that says that they know what's going to happen or that they saw this coming, I promise you they're a bunch of liars because no one, and I mean literally no one, could have predicted this. A lot of people, when Bitcoin was crashing, they're like, yeah, I knew it. Bitcoin was going to crash. And then when it went back up $10,000, it's like, oh, yeah, of course, it's a pullback, right? What goes up must goes down and vice versa, whatever. In this video, we're going to be going over a couple different things. Kind of just giving you guys a general Bitcoin update, talking about, the whole bear market, bull market, whole debate and whatever. And yeah, just having some good vibes. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe down below. This is the Bitcoin to 1 million channel where I post daily Bitcoin videos, all sorts of things like price predictions, treasury updates, stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get into today's video. So first off, guys, price action, we're at 69K. And I remember, guys, when this was the all-time high for Bitcoin at one point, when we had $69,000 and it was insane. It was a whole, fiasco. It was fun. But in the past week, obviously, guys, Bitcoin is down 11%, and we saw the huge dip down to the 60s, the low 60s. In the past month, guys, Bitcoin is down 23%, which is pretty freaking bad. And regardless, we've seen stuff like Binance and they're just buying and whatever. I strongly recommend, guys, if I don't make a full video, I'm always posting shorts on YouTube as well. So stay on the lookout for those, okay? Now, in the past year, guys, Bitcoin is down at 27%, which is nuts. Now, me personally, I am bullish long-term. I am a long-term Bitcoin investor. I'm not looking at Bitcoin for the short term. I'm very forward-focused, and I'm not really thinking about, oh, Bitcoin's dipping, whatever. It doesn't really matter. So a couple of things to look at. First off, guys, I do think that the government and the president right now, Mr. Trump, I do think that we are still going to have bullish momentum. Now, the funny thing is, this is the first crypto president, and the guy has publicly talked about crypto and Bitcoin and wants America to be the crypto powerhouse, says Bitcoin pumped nearly 80% after Trump won the election, right, which happened, but the entire rally has now been wiped out. So, take from this what you will, but in my opinion, with the Trump family consistently buying Bitcoin, with a lot of people consistently buying Bitcoin in America, literally owning Bitcoin, I don't see how Trump lets the markets die forever. We're probably going to have some more things coming in, maybe some stimulus, maybe some, I don't know, some more bullish stuff. I just don't see it happening, okay, from a government perspective, right? Obviously, that's just not the end-all be-all, but have to consider that, right? Now, I want to share this as well because it's interesting, right? You have $100,000 to invest in only one asset, and you must hold it until 2030. What are you choosing? Now, I think because we've seen gold and silver have crazy rallies right now, a lot of people are starting to look at it and go, you know what? Maybe we should own more gold and silver, right? As opposed to if you were to ask anyone in the past 5 years, or if you asked anyone 2 years ago, would you consider buying gold and silver? They wouldn't even give a shit about it. In fact, no one was even talking about buying gold and silver, right? Maybe like 1%, right? Now, a lot of people are talking about, oh, maybe I should buy gold, maybe I should buy silver, which is interesting, right? Because when you see these crazy rallies, FOMO starts to kick in, right? Now, with Bitcoin, people are seeing Bitcoin crashing and no one wants to buy Bitcoin. It's just like the most retarded shit ever, right? It always happens. When Bitcoin pumps, everyone wants to buy it. When it dumps, no one wants it, right? With Tesla stock as well, I mean, I think this is a huge company. I actually own Tesla stock. It is almost my second biggest holding. I just saw this today, Tesla trading at 1.5 trillion, and Elon Musk basically said it could hit 100 trillion, which is insane. Regardless, I'm bullish on all four of these, right? My biggest position is Bitcoin, second biggest is Ethereum, third biggest is Tesla, but that is going to get flipped. And, gold and silver, I mean, it's cool, it's fine, but I don't understand the point in buying it when you just buy Bitcoin, okay? Regardless, wanted to share that with you guys. Now, $1.7 trillion Bank of America said they recommend 4% allocation to Bitcoin and crypto to their clients, which obviously is bullish. The more Bitcoin people hold and the more that the governments and banks start advocating for it, the more bullish for everyone. Okay, now this is a pretty interesting picture. The Trump family, right, Eric and Donald Trump Jr., They post this picture, and in the background you see Michael Saylor. It looks like this was a fundraising event of some sort of charity fundraising or something like that. I think that's what it was, but seeing Saylor in the background is pretty funny regardless, okay? So yeah, there's that as well. Now next up, guys, Bitcoin is deep into fire sale territory, right? Whether we are in a bear market or a bull market, regardless, now in my opinion is a great time to buy Bitcoin, especially on a red day like today, right? At $69,000, I mean, I don't think you're gonna go wrong. Will we go down from here again? It is definitely possible, but you know, considering the all-time high was $126,000, you're looking to almost double your money with Bitcoin right now, okay? Which is pretty freaking cool to see. But guys, listen, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.